Motorcycle Registration Renewal 2022. First, secure a photocopy of most recent or NCR, and then proceed to any emission test. Then go to LTO and ask for assistance at the info desk. Apply for insurance to any LTO accredited. You can always find one at LTO compound. Then submit all necessary documents at the respective window. Then you will be given a number to be called on cashier window. Just wait to be called to pay the amount of registration. After paying, you will be given a printout of your new official receipt, and you're good to go.